guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lauren Boucher and today I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter. So it is the easiest recipe. All you need really is peanuts. I just bought these from Job Lots for $2.50. They're dry roasted, unsalted. You need honey. Any honey, it all works. And you need salt. And you need a food processor. I think I got this at Walmart for like 20 bucks. Tupperware, just put it, and that's pretty much it. And I will show you how to make it. So, let me plug this in. Shoot, this is not gonna reach. Should have planned for this. I had to find an extension cord, so put it together. Got your peanuts. And I just make this because I like the way it tastes. I don't really like the natural peanut butter. I just think it always tasted kind of weird, so I was like, let me try making my own, and it's so easy and it tastes better, and it's just these peanuts. I don't know how you can go wrong. Honestly, use most of the peanuts. Well, we'll use all the peanuts. Okay. Salt. I mean, this is because it has no salt in it. It's still dry roasted though, so it'll still be a little salty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all I'm gonna do. Honey. So the thing with honey, the more you put in, the better it is. So if you want to be healthier, put in a little less. If you want it to taste really good, put in a little more. I guess I like it in the middle. Try and be kind of healthy, but also want it to taste good. And you can always add more afterwards. So if you want, just put in more, you know, afterwards, after it's pretty much already mixed. So you're gonna see this mixture go in 3 stages. First crumble up, and then it will start sticking together, and then eventually it will start looking like peanut butter, looking like mush. So I do it on high, and it takes about 5 minutes. I'll time it. I don't really know how long it takes, but you'll be able to see from the machine when it's ready. But I'm gonna time it just so I can tell you afterward. Okay, putting it on low, pressing start. Oops. Okay, ready. And I like to turn it off and get the little crumbs that get stuck. Okay. Out again. I'm gonna push it down kind of into the middle because it's getting stuck to the sides. Okay. I probably overfilled this machine just a little bit, but that's okay. Oops. Forgot to stop the timer. Okay. It's been on for about 1:30. Let's put it back on low. Okay, so it's been about 4 minutes and 30 seconds, approximately. I didn't really press the stop timer for the right amount. It's still a little grainy. I think I'm gonna let it go for another 30 seconds. Let me try it. Yeah. It will still, surprisingly, the more you mix it, the wetter it gets. You know what I think too, after trying it, I am gonna put in a little bit more honey. Give it a little extra sweetness. Okay. Yeah, so I let that go for another 30 seconds. Let's it's so good. So you just want to put it in a Tupperware. And so this, I should specify, it's if you like creamy peanut butter. I believe to make chunky, you'd have to have leftover nuts and then just put them in the food processor for maybe, like, just so they get crunched up to as thick as you want them, really. Not very long, and then add them to this peanut butter. So yeah, I'll show you what it is. So this is the peanut butter. Usually like this as my desserts, I'll put it on an apple or banana. I put peanut butter in my oatmeal. And yeah, this makes quite a bit of peanut butter, and it's really easy. And you don't have to store this in the fridge. You can if you want, but I mean, there's only peanuts in here. It's just peanuts, all peanuts in a different form from their original. So your nut butter might separate a little bit, which is fine. There will be maybe a little more liquid on top when you next try and have some, but that's normal. You can mix it in. You can have it ooey gooey. Sometimes I like to just put chocolate chips in there and then dip my spoon and eat it. The thing about quarantine is we don't have anybody over. So I double dip, I lick things, I eat out of containers. Nobody's coming over. Nobody's sharing. Nobody's touching the stuff I touch, so it's safe. I finish everything before anybody even gets here. Also, I'm not big on wasting, so I'm gonna get every bit of this peanut butter. I gotta get my whole $2.50 worth. And yeah, if you buy different peanuts, it's gonna taste a little different. So if you get the dry roasted, salted, probably gonna taste a little better. If you get the honey dry roasted, you might not even need to add anything to the mixture because it's already flavored. So it's really up to you. And if you like eating peanut butter instead of peanuts, I would highly recommend this. Highly recommend. You know what would be good though? Macadamia butter. I love macadamia nuts. I just don't see any downsides unless you have a peanut allergy. So if you're here for some nut butter, make it happen. I hope you guys enjoy your homemade peanut butter. And like the video, subscribe, comment. Thank you.